Hi friends, this is Manish from Heist Placement Service Private Limited and Heist Digital Academy. We are there in industry from 2015. We are associated with 150 companies all over Pan India. We have 1000 freshers and experienced IT requirements and 2000 plus non-IT requirements and core manufacturing requirements. We have started a training section program. Totally it is complete online training program. So I want to tell you about what exactly the training program is and how many domains we are going to train, what is the thing exactly. Okay, we are training on starting 8 domains. It is like Java, data science, digital marketing, UI UX, testing, MS Office, MS Excel, communication skills, interview preparation, spoken English, and resume preparation, and content writing. Totally, we are starting with 8 domains. Okay, and this is totally 3 months program, 3 months training, internship, working on live project, certification plus job assistance. Okay, and next thing, coming to the part we have on this. So here for this training section, it is totally 3 months program, daily 2 hours classes and weekly 5 days. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes technical program, I mean IT programs, it may be Java, .NET, anything, and 30 minutes is communication skills program. Daily 2 hours will be there, and there is 2 batches. Morning 6 to 9 will be the one batch, and evening 6 to 9 will be the one batch. You can select any one of the batch from this. Okay, and for this, to join this free training program for 3 months certification and job assistance, we have some rules and regulations, and I'll just explain you what is that. It's very simple. The thing is like, we are looking with passed out 2014 to 2020-21 passed outs. Second thing, you should have 70% of attendance if you are joining in this training section. So you should have 70% of attendance in this 3 months, otherwise we will not give you a certification part. Next thing, in your past academic year, it may be degree, BTech, MBA, MCA, from 2014 to 2020-21 pursuing candidates also can join. Your percentage criteria should be minimum 50%. Then only you can join this program. So friends who are seriously interested for this 3 months free training section program, you can fill this below Google form. In description we are giving a Google form, and here also we are giving a Google form. Once if you're done with Google forms, fill all your details. We will provide you a Zoom link where you can join the training section. And very good news for you all, we are providing a part-time work for all our training students where you can earn 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. So we are providing training, internship, working on live project, job assistance, communication skills, plus a part-time work where you can earn monthly 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. Only work for only 1 hour and you can earn 5k to 10k. So we are not charging any single rupee from our training students. So in the offer of last 2 days, we are giving free training for 600 members on this occasion. And I wish all the students please use this opportunity to get knowledge and be placed. Okay, thank you very much.